Here in UK, since March 2020, thanks to COVID-19, we have been impacted with deaths, sorrow, family suffering, and lockdowns. Today we embark on a second lockdown that promises to be stricter than the first one. Families have lost contact with their loved ones who live in different parts of the country, and the only way to contact them is mainly by phone or email. So, the world is slowly coming to a situation that is unpleasant and uncomfortable in every sense. Having said all of this, I believe that a lockdown is the only way to temporarily reduce the effect that COVID-19 serves on the population of this country. Unfortunately, this is only a temporary respite. I am saying this because I believe that when this lockdown ends, COVID-19 infections will return, and so we shall be back to where we stood at the time of the end of the first lockdown. This is going to be the situation unless someone comes up with a vaccine. Now it is important to understand that a vaccine works on healthy individuals. In other words, those who are already infected will enjoy little benefit, if any at all, even if the medical world decides to administer this vaccine to them. COVID-19 affects the individual, it also affects every family. It damages the foundations of the nation, whether we look at people or whether we examine the knocks the economy has taken and will continue to take for some time to come yet. The question is whether we believe in miracles or whether we have no option but to believe in them. However, the bitter truth is that until the world finds positive ways to eradicate this pestilence, more of our brothers and sisters will die. Equally, a great number of those who had the disease and survived will continue their lives affected by the poisons COVID-19 embeds in their bodies. Please, for the sake of all of us, make sure that you take all of the necessary precautions. This will help to keep you safe.